Mexico's diverse landscape is home to legions of beautiful places that would take a lifetime to explore. From white sand Caribbean beaches lapped by turquoise waters to millenary rock formations and charming towns with well-preserved colonial architecture, Mexico has no lack of spots to enthrall its visitors with beauty. Today's video is about wonders of Mexico, the most amazing places in Mexico. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Ixtlilxochitl cenote. Formed millions of years ago by the crash of a large meteorite, the Yucatan Peninsula cenotes are sinkholes filled with water, often connected by underground cave systems. Most of the world's cenotes are found in this area of Mexico, particularly around the Riviera Maya. With somewhere from 6,000 to 8,000 cenotes, there's no shortage of options when it comes to swimming in these clear water natural pools. Ixtlilxochitl cenote is far from off the beaten path, but it's popular for a reason. Not only is it one of the most beautiful cenotes, thanks to lush vegetation that cascades from its cavernous opening all the way down to the water, but its location near Chichen Itza makes it an ideal stop for a refreshing dip after a long day of admiring Maya ruins. Oaxaca. Known for its rich indigenous heritage, Oaxaca is one of Mexico's most representative cities. Its cuisine is revered throughout the country. With mole sauce, made from chilies, spices, and chocolate, and tlayudas, large, crunchy tortillas covered with refried beans and other spreads, taking center stage. Besides the food, it's the city's charming colonial architecture that keeps admirers visiting time and time again. The historic center is best explored on foot, from the church and convent of Santo Domingo de Guzman in the north to the lively Zocalo, the main square, and the colorful markets in the south. These days, some of the city's main draws are its mezcalerias, which line the streets alongside museums dedicated to the spirit and rooftop bars serving up interesting mezcal-centric cocktails. Hierve. An hour and a half from the city of Oaxaca, the petrified waterfalls and shallow mineral pools of Hierve make for a very Instagrammable sight. Meaning, the water boils. In Spanish, these two rock formations only resemble water cascading down a cliff and were formed over thousands of years from minerals that seeped from the rock. Swimming enthusiasts can take a dip in the mineral pools, but the pool's small size means that the experience will only be pleasant if you visit early in the morning before the tour buses arrive. The hour-and-a-half drive can be easily made from Oaxaca on a tour, but it's worth noting that local tour companies will bundle the experience with a trip to the Mitla or Montalbán ruins, most certainly adding a few long shopping stops along the way. Chiapas. The state of Chiapas houses some of the country's most idyllic landscapes. Large enough to contain dense rainforests, picturesque mountain towns, and Maya ruins, Chiapas is best visited with plenty of time to explore. Nature lovers shouldn't miss the Tzimol waterfalls, which tower over pools of turquoise water. Nearby, almost at the border with Guatemala, the 59 multicolored Montebello lakes will make you question whether you're in Mexico or New Zealand, a testament to the country's natural diversity. The Sumidero Canyon, a mere 30 minutes from Tuxtla, the state capital, is best viewed from the water on a boat ride that snakes through the imposing walls of rock. Marieta Islands. The Marieta Islands are an uninhabited archipelago formed thousands of years ago by volcanic activity. In the 1960s, Jacques Cousteau and other activists fought to protect these islands from human activity following the Mexican government's bombing of the area for military testing. However, it wasn't until 2008 that it was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Hidden Beach, known as Playa del Ama in Spanish, is the most unique site in the archipelago. Viewed from the top, the beach looks as if it were hiding under a rock that had its lid blown off. This crater can't be accessed from the top though, and the beach can only be reached by boat. Tulum ruins. Bordered by the Caribbean Sea, the Tulum ruins were inhabited by the Maya from the 13th–15th centuries and are a sight to behold given they're seemingly the only Maya settlement built on the beach. While they might not be as expansive as Chichen Itza, also on the Yucatan Peninsula, or Palenque in Chiapas, their stunning cliffside views of the sea have made them famous around the world. Interestingly, evidence suggests that the Maya actually called this settlement Zamor, meaning city of the dawning sun. One of its main attractions is Playa Ruinas, a white sand beach immediately below the ruins that can be accessed by a wooden staircase. The Tulum ruins are open to the public daily from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. It's worth visiting the beach early before the crowds descend. San Miguel de Allende. San Miguel de Allende has earned its fame thanks to its striking colonial architecture, cobblestone streets, and myriad art galleries. Its pink stone church in Churrigueresque, ultra-Baroque style is one of its defining features, as are the lively rooftops housing chic restaurants and hotels. The past decade has seen San Miguel de Allende become a culinary hub. The town is also found in a region, effectively Mexico's wine and cheese route, that has quickly grown into one of the world's newest destinations for viniculture. Celestun. White sand beaches, turquoise water, a tiny yet charming town square, and knowing you're miles away from city life constitute the allure of Celestun. That, and the flamingos, of course. From November to March, flamingos winter in the Mexican state of Yucatan and can be seen up close from a boat in the mangroves. Early morning and just before sunset, during low tide, hundreds of these large pink birds descend in a flurry, a sight not easily forgotten. When they're done feeding, the birds take flight, and clouds of pink dart through the sky in horizontal lines made up of elongated necks. Land's End. At the very tip of the Baja Peninsula, where the Pacific Ocean meets the Gulf of California, a rock formation in the shape of an arch juts out of the water, marking the end of the land. At least as far as this part of Mexico goes. Interestingly, the water on each side of the arch is a different color and is known to have distinct fish that live in them. To access this natural wonder, visitors need to take a boat, be it a yacht or a catamaran. There are several beaches in the area that can be visited, including Lovers Beach, good for swimming and snorkeling, and Divorce Beach, which can be reached on foot from Lovers Beach but has strong currents that discourage swimming. Bacalar. Lake Bacalar, also known as the Lagoon of Seven Colors, is found on the Yucatan Peninsula and is said to possess 7 distinct shades of blue. It contains minimal organic material and is so transparent that it glows in the sunlight. Surrounded by mangroves and lush vegetation, its shores have no beaches, but it can be explored on small canoes or sailboats. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Share your thoughts in the comments below.